today we're here with this beautiful little model. We're going to use our Quiet Wash cleanser. Chris, can you grab that cleanser for me? Yes, this cleanser is great for multiple reasons. You can take off makeup with it. If you don't emulsify with water, you can also use this on lash extensions. But what I love most about it, I'm going to take a little bit of water, Chris, is that you can use it on ages 6 to 96. This cleanser works for everyone. My favorite part about Quiet Wash is that it detoxifies the skin, purifies, cleans really well, and at the same time never leaves the skin dry feeling. Sometimes sensitive skin cleansers really do let the skin feel pretty dry after cleansing, and this one doesn't do it. But my favorite part of Quiet Wash is after about 30 days, 3 to 4 weeks, your clients will really notice that it helps repair the barrier. So if there's any compromised barrier, any issues going on with the skin, your cleanser will help repair that. Now Chris is here with us today, and she's going to tell us about the awesome ingredients that are in here that help allow the skin to heal.
What's really great about the products is a lot of cleansers that people have out there, they're wanting to use enzymes and acids. And with this cleanser, we're not using that. We're just purifying the skin. We're not stripping the skin. The pH is more of a normal pH, so we're just starting with a nice clean base with that. The other thing, we have Mirabella Julapa extract, which we also have in 4 of our other products in the line that really help with calming the skin. What's called 4 o'clock flower. There's horse chestnut in there. Also, with most of our products, we don't add any fragrance, which actually can be another irritant when people are cleansing and getting in close to their eye area, like Shauna is here with her pads.
I love these little cloth pads on sensitive skin. They're a little bit hard to find sometimes, but the cloth doesn't irritate the skin. A lot of times we find estheticians are using compressed sponges on sensitive skin, and it really does slightly irritate sometimes. So I love the washable pads that you can just throw in and clean them up in the washer. There's different ways to use Quiet Wash. Obviously, I already told you can take off makeup with it. So my first cleanse is usually very general, right? We're just getting that dirt, debris, makeup off. But the second cleanse is what's important. So there's 2 different ways we can do this. I always use Quiet Wash. I'm going to show you my favorite way with these nice little Tara scrubbers that we have that are mechanical, and they make cleansing just a little more fun. But also, if you have clients that really have a lot of buildup and debris, you can also add to Quiet Wash a little dime-sized amount of your refined polish. And that's what I like the best, is the combo. In my shower, I use that every day. And when you tell clients you can use a little something every day, they jump at the chance. You'll sell a lot of those for retail. But for my second cleanse today, I'm going to use the Quiet Wash once again. I'm just going to get the cleanser on her skin.
What's really nice with these Tara brushes that Shauna's going to use too is with sensitive skin, sometimes you can't do those aggressive polishes and stuff like she was talking about. Ours is actually really gentle, but it's kind of a really nice tool that somebody for sensitive skin can use in the treatment room, or you can sell this and retail it to your clients for home care.
So now that I have the cleanser on there, the Quiet Wash, I'm going to get my little Tara brushes a little bit wet. And then we're going to start the 2-minute cleanse with these brushes. They will turn off. And what's cool about them is that it also brings circulation to the skin. So whatever you're going to do in your treatments, your exfoliation, your serum penetrations, it actually is prepping the skin to use those ingredients and products more efficiently.
It's really nice to have 2 of those in the treatment room because it gives you that extra feeling of that extra massage for your client.
It feels incredible. You can get into little tiny places. Now for home use, you know, I only have 1 of these. I use 1 at a time, but in the treatment room 2 is amazing. Doesn't it feel good, Mason? Mm-hmm. And it just gives you an extra deep, clean, mild exfoliation. What it really helps with, I notice with my clients, those who wear heavy makeup daily, it really does help get that out of the pores and the follicles. So your product can work more efficiently. And what's also cool about these, they're antibacterial, and you can just dip them in your bowl, wash them with some soap and water, and they cleanse really easily. Can I have my little pads? Thank you. And as you guys can see from the look of her skin, it's definitely cleaner than it was when she came in. One more time, Chris, thank you. Look at that, just from the quiet wash and my little scrubbers, that's the key.
Well, the nice thing with the quiet wash too is when you have somebody come in that's already inflamed and compromised, it's just such a nice gentle wash that's not going to inflame it more, because we want to start out with a clean palette but not inflame it more. Some of those heavier washes will inflame the skin a little bit more, and then you're fighting it the rest of the facial.
There you go. That was our quiet wash, first and double cleanse.